So this is Dr. Gerard at Lakewood's Chiropractic in Forest Lake, Minnesota, and I have with me today Kate. Now, Kate, you've been coming to Lakewood's Chiropractic for how long?
I want to say it's about 5 weeks.
So 5 weeks, and when you first went to Lakewood's, like, what was the issues? What was going on?
You know, I'm not exactly sure, but I thought that I had injured my back by falling, and then I just didn't realize that actually I had some pretty chronic, it was harder for me to bend over, and I thought this was all just kind of natural stuff with aging, and it's not.
Yeah.
Like, I feel so much better. So.
Well, and that was what I was going to ask. So since, you've been getting adjusted for the last 5 weeks, like, what's different? What's changed?
I can tell when I don't have one, like my back starts to get much stiffer. I can do a lot of the yoga stuff without pain that I used to experience, especially doing a lot of the forward folds and things like that. I generally just feel more comfortable, especially because I have a job where I sit a lot.
Sure.
And I just generally feel more comfortable. I'm not like wiggling all day long to get through the day.
Yeah, awesome. And well, let's say someone's sitting out there right now and they're hesitant, they're skeptic, they're I'm not sure. What would you say to them not kind of experiencing this?
I think that you should at least try it. I mean, it has made such a difference for me just in 5 weeks. So I feel like it's like, at least try it. You don't have to keep going if you don't like it.
Yeah, well, awesome. Well, thanks, Kate. This is Dr. Gerard at Lakewood's Chiropractic in Forest Lake, Minnesota. We'll see you soon.